Hi, this is Gary with Gary's Sprinkler Repair Service, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust a Rainbird gear-driven pop-up sprinkler. Let's get started. Alright, so here we have a Rainbird Rotary type sprinkler. It's currently running. You can make adjustments while it's running, by the way. It has a adjustment plus and minus section right here. I'm using a Rainbird screwdriver. Just a regular pitch screwdriver will work though. You set it down in there and you turn it to the minus or the plus, and that will adjust the arc to the right. Rainbird has a fixed left, so once you put the sprinkler in and you get it set all the way to your left-hand margin, so you can see here, spraying down the left-hand side here, that's its fixed position. So if I hit plus on the adjustment screw here and turn the screw towards the plus direction, it's going to open how far the sprinkler throws over to the right-hand side over here before it stops. You can't adjust the left-hand throw on a Rainbird. It has a fixed left. So once you get it in the ground, if the left's not where you want it, you have to just turn the entire sprinkler, this whole entire thing, until it lines up on the left-hand side where you want it. So the other thing that this has, two other things on it. One is you can set your screwdriver down in here and turn it sideways. And if the sprinkler was off, it enables you to be able to lift the sprinkler up and then hang on to it while you make adjustments. It also has, kind of tough to show you while it's running here, but it has a little blue nozzle that you can insert into here when it's up, not running. And there's a little set screw that you can adjust. And the set screw is in this location here, just above the nozzle. So if you look here, you can see I've got my screwdriver down in the hole. And again, that's going to adjust the little set screw that comes down into the spray. Not only does that set screw have to be down a little ways into the nozzle, the plastic blue nozzle, it keeps the nozzle from flying out when the water goes through it. But the other thing that it does for you is it also can go into this stream of water. So in my case here, if you look at the patio, I was throwing way across the middle of their patio. Obviously, they don't want their lawn chairs watered. So I had to adjust that screw that's in the front of that sprinkler. And you can see it's kind of sticking into, I don't know if I can show you all the way without getting the phone wet, but it's sticking into the spray and it's diffusing the spray and making it not throw as far. And that's all the adjustments there are to this sprinkler. So if you like our video and you found it helpful today, feel free to give us a thumbs up, like. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And again, as usual, if you get a chance, be sure to subscribe to the channel and tap notifications. So if there's something you'd like to see and you haven't found it on our channel, feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what that is and see what we can do about getting you a video made for that.